The Samsung Galaxy S23 is expected to generate a lot of buzz next week with its unveiling, and the most talked about rumored features are likely to be the highlight. The cameras are expected to be the main attraction, as Samsung aims to make the Galaxy S23 one of the top camera phones. The rumored 200-megapixel main camera on the S23 Ultra is likely to draw significant attention, as well as advancements in night photography and improved front cameras on the other two S23 models. All three phones are expected to run on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, sparking discussions about improved performance and power efficiency. While the camera and chipset upgrades are notable, they are not the only new features that Samsung is expected to reveal at the Galaxy Unpacked event on February 1. There are several other rumored enhancements for the Galaxy S23 that have received less attention, despite being equally important. It is rumored that there will be no Galaxy S23 models powered by the Exynos chipset. The Galaxy S23 is rumored to feature Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, which is widely known. However, it is less known that all Galaxy S23 models are expected to use Qualcomm's chipset, regardless of their intended global market. This marks a departure from Samsung's previous approach. In the past, US consumers have received Galaxy S models powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 series, while buyers in Europe mostly receive models powered by Samsung's Exynos chips. This can result in disappointment for those with Exynos-powered models, as they tend to have inferior performance compared to the Snapdragon-powered versions. If you reside in a country that has previously received Exynos-powered phones, you may have better luck this time. It is rumored that Samsung will only use the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset. Given the impressive results from initial Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 benchmark tests, this change is highly anticipated. The Galaxy S23 is rumored to have faster RAM. Along with a rumored new chipset, Samsung is expected to use faster memory to enhance the performance of the Galaxy S23. Specifically, the Galaxy S23 is rumored to feature LPDDR5X RAM instead of LPDDR5 RAM. According to Samsung, LPDDR5X RAM offers 130% faster processing speed and reduces power consumption by 20% compared to LPDDR5 memory used in other phones. The Galaxy S23 Ultra is rumored to have the brightest display ever with a maximum brightness of 2000 nits, but it's uncertain if Samsung's recently introduced Ultra Dynamic Range OLED screen will be included in the February launch. The rumored brightness level of 1750 nits for the Galaxy S23 models is said to be a significant improvement compared to the 1300 nits maximum brightness of the Galaxy S22. The rumored maximum brightness level of 1750 nits for the Galaxy S23, even for the base model, could provide an advantage over competitors and offer a high-end display experience if Samsung maintains the $799 price point. The Galaxy S23 is rumored to have improved speakers and microphones. Speakers are not typically a top consideration when choosing a phone. Most people tend to connect wireless earbuds for audio playback. However, there are still a significant number of people who use the built-in speakers on their phones. If you depend on your phone's speakers and are considering the Galaxy S23 Ultra, the speaker quality is rumored to be improved, especially for bass tones. Additionally, the microphone on the S23 Ultra is also rumored to be improved, enhancing phone calls and video capture. The base model of the Galaxy S23 Ultra is rumored to have 256 gigabytes of storage. A recent report claimed that all three Galaxy S23 models will have 256 gigabytes of storage as base, which is an improvement compared to other flagships that only have 128 gigabytes in their base models. This move could differentiate the S23 from its competitors and would be a positive change. The Galaxy S23 Ultra is rumored to have a base storage of 256 gigabytes, making it a standout among flagships that only offer 128 gigabytes in their base models. It's also expected to have 512 gigabytes and 1 TB storage options. This increase in storage is ideal, especially with the rumored 200-megapixel main camera and larger photo file sizes. A storage upgrade deal for the Galaxy S23. What's the next best thing to getting 256 gigabytes of storage in your base model? Getting an upgrade to the 256 gigabytes model at no additional cost. Tipster Roland Quant spotted specific terms and conditions on Samsung UK's business website. The information reveals that pre-ordering any Galaxy S23 series device will allow buyers to get a free upgrade to a higher storage variant. For example, if someone pre-orders a Galaxy S23 by paying for its 128 gigabytes version, they will get a 256 gigabytes version without any additional charge. Similar is the case with the Galaxy S23 Plus and the Galaxy S23 Ultra. It's unclear if this deal will just be in select countries, possibly as a way to offset rumored Galaxy S23 price hikes in Europe, but Samsung has made this get more storage for less pre-order offer with previous phone launches. Here's to hoping it resurfaces with the Galaxy S23's debut. That's it for today. Let me know your thoughts in the comments section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.